Picture this: waking up in the morning to find money flowing into your bank account while you slept. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's time to turn that dream into a reality through the power of passive income. In this video, we're going to demystify the concept of passive income and equip you with the knowledge and strategies to create multiple streams of income that work for you, even when you're not actively involved. Whether you're seeking extra cash to fund your dreams, looking to escape the clutches of a monotonous job, or yearning for the freedom to live life on your terms, passive income is the key. We'll explore a range of proven and innovative passive income ideas that require varying degrees of initial investment, time, and effort. Get ready to unlock the secrets of passive income and embark on a life-changing adventure. Without further ado, let's dive in and discover the extraordinary possibilities that await you in the world of passive income. Earning revenue from YouTube is a popular way to generate passive income. Joining the YouTube Partner Program is the first step, requiring 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within a year. Advertisements are the primary income source. Creators enable ads, and YouTube's partners display relevant ads, sharing the revenue with creators. YouTube Premium, where subscribers pay for ad-free content, also contributes to earnings. Creators receive a portion of the subscription revenue based on their content's watch time from premium subscribers. Additional monetization options include channel memberships and Super Chat. Channel memberships offer exclusive perks for a monthly fee, while Super Chat allows viewers to pay to have their messages highlighted during live streams. Maximizing revenue involves strategies like SEO optimization, engaging with the audience, and consistently creating high-quality content. YouTube revenue requires dedication and perseverance, but for those who succeed, it can provide a sustainable source of passive income. Affiliate programs are a popular method of earning passive income by promoting other businesses' products or services. As an affiliate marketer, you earn a commission for each sale or action made through your unique affiliate link. This approach requires minimal upfront investment and allows you to leverage established brands' reputation and resources. To succeed in affiliate marketing, it's crucial to choose programs that align with your target audience's interests. Promoting products or services you genuinely believe in builds trust with your audience, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Selecting reputable programs with competitive commissions and reliable tracking systems is also essential. You can promote affiliate products through various channels. Blogging, social media platforms, and email marketing are effective ways to showcase products and engage with your audience. However, building an audience and establishing credibility take time and effort. Generating substantial passive income through affiliate programs requires consistent effort and optimization. Building an audience, creating valuable content, and refining your marketing strategies are necessary steps. Staying updated with the latest techniques and analyzing performance metrics will help you maximize your earnings. In summary, affiliate programs provide an opportunity for passive income by promoting other businesses' products or services. Choosing the right programs, targeting the appropriate audience, and consistently creating valuable content are key to generating a steady stream of income through affiliate commissions. Creating and selling your own digital product, like an online course, is a profitable way to generate passive income. It offers scalability, low costs, and potential recurring revenue. To start, choose a niche you're passionate about and research its market demand. Tailor your course content to meet your target audience's needs. Next, create high-quality video lessons, written materials, and interactive resources. Design a professional-looking course using available platforms. Set up a website or landing page to showcase and sell your course. Use effective marketing strategies such as social media ads, content marketing, and email campaigns to attract customers. Selling a digital product provides passive income potential. Once launched, it can continue generating revenue with minimal effort. Update and improve your course content regularly to stay relevant. While creating a digital product requires time, the return on investment can be substantial. As your course gains popularity and positive reviews, your passive income stream grows. In summary, selling your own digital product, such as an online course, is a lucrative opportunity for passive income. Choose a niche, develop high-quality content, and market it effectively. With ongoing updates, your course can generate revenue while requiring minimal effort. Investing is a powerful way to generate passive income and build wealth over time. It involves allocating capital into various investment vehicles to potentially earn returns without active involvement. One option is the stock market, where purchasing shares of companies can yield dividends as a portion of their profits. Real estate investing offers passive income through rental payments and property appreciation. Bonds provide a steady income stream with lower risk. Peer-to-peer lending allows you to earn interest by lending money to individuals or businesses. Successful investing requires thorough research, understanding of risks, and diversification. Monitoring investments and staying informed about market trends is essential. While investing offers passive income potential, it requires initial capital and careful decision-making. Consulting with financial experts can help develop an investment strategy aligned with your goals and risk tolerance. In summary, investing allows for passive income by allocating capital into various vehicles. Stock market investments, real estate, bonds, and peer-to-peer lending all offer potential returns. Thorough research, diversification, and staying informed are key to successful investing. Staking is a method of earning passive income through cryptocurrencies. By holding and staking tokens, you contribute to blockchain networks and receive rewards in return. Staking involves locking up tokens in a wallet or platform for a specific period. It validates transactions, secures the network, and earns you rewards. The more tokens you stake, the higher your potential earnings. Staking offers attractive returns without the need for mining equipment or technical knowledge. It also allows you to actively support blockchain network growth and stability. However, staking carries risks. Cryptocurrency values can fluctuate, impacting your returns. Researching and selecting reputable cryptocurrencies and staking platforms is crucial. To stake, you need compatible cryptocurrencies and a staking wallet or platform. Many exchanges and platforms provide user-friendly interfaces for staking. In summary, staking provides passive income by participating in blockchain networks and earning rewards for holding and staking tokens. It supports cryptocurrency growth while offering potential returns. Understand the risks and choose reliable cryptocurrencies and platforms for a secure staking experience. In conclusion, we have explored 5 methods of generating passive income: YouTube revenue, affiliate programs, digital products, investing, and staking. YouTube provides opportunities for content creators to monetize their videos and reach a global audience. Affiliate programs offer commissions for promoting products or services, leveraging online presence for passive income. Creating and selling digital products, like online courses, monetizes expertise. Investing in stocks, real estate, bonds, or peer-to-peer lending allows for long-term wealth accumulation. Staking in cryptocurrencies offers rewards for participating in blockchain networks. Passive income requires initial effort and ongoing management. Building an audience, creating valuable content, research, and staying informed are essential for success. To maximize passive income, set clear goals, develop strategies, and adapt to market conditions. With persistence and dedication, multiple streams of passive income can lead to financial freedom and a more flexible lifestyle.